Hi, welcome back to Everyday Behavior. My name is Marianne Shepard, and this is the last video in our series this month on returning to school after COVID. So a lot of kids may be feeling a lot of emotions as they return to the classroom. You probably also are feeling a lot of emotions returning this year after last year, and with all of the changes and everything that we experienced in the last 18 months. So when we are feeling emotions, there's a wide range of emotions, but a lot of times kids are kind of stuck in a couple of boxes. They are able to easily identify happy, mad, and sad, but when you get into some of those complex emotions like frustrated or anxious or nervous and irritable and uncertain, it may be hard for them to identify those emotions that are kind of sub emotions of some of the large categories. And so when you are working on emotional identification, one of the things that you can do is you can explicitly teach emotions through books. And so in your circle time or your reading block, highlighting specific books on emotions is excellent. There are books such as a spot of books. And so there's like a spot of anger and a spot of happiness. There's also the How to Teach Your Dragon books. Those are also based on emotion. So there are a lot of children's books that are based on emotion. And there are some videos that are, or movies that also are excellent for teaching emotions. And so one of the things that you want to do is regularly incorporate classroom discussion and readings on emotional identification. You want to label your own emotions. So today I'm feeling a bit anxious because, or today I'm feeling very frustrated because, and start to label those emotions and what that might look like in your facial expressions or your body language. So when I'm feeling anxious, I. When I'm feeling frustrated, I. And start to label and define those emotions and what that might look like so that children can recognize those emotions and begin to recognize those emotions in others. Also, help kids recognize their own emotions. So rather than saying you are mad, say it looks like you're feeling very frustrated right now. It looks like you're feeling angry right now. It looks like you're feeling sad right now, or you're feeling uncertain or insecure, or you're feeling disheartened. So starting to label those. You can also use fun emojis or things like that and have times where people identify their emotions through the emojis. So think about activities that you can do in your classroom to help build that emotional recognition for kids so that they can appropriately label and identify their emotions, and the more appropriately they are able to identify those emotions, the better you are to help direct them to appropriate coping strategies or problem solving skills that will help reduce that particular emotion in their mind or in their reaction. So I hope that this provides some ideas on how to improve emotional regulation with your students or with your children. And I also would love for you to subscribe to our channel below so that you can get updates when our upcoming series come up. Also, you can find additional resources on everydaybehaviors.com, or you can like or follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Everyday Behavior with Dr. Marianne. Thank you and have a wonderful day.